Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news: as coastal cargo ship collided with container ship, sank, Guangzhou. Container ship Highland Zhong Gu9 collided with coastal cargo ship Haohang No. XXX, length some 110 meters, near buoy 60 in Shizi Channel, upper channel of the Pearl River estuary, while sailing downstream. At around 2200 Beijing time April 10, cargo ship sank, all 13 crew were rescued. Container ship sustained damages, said to be insignificant, and was anchored near collision site. Understood salvage is underway to remove Haohang wreck. As of 0520 at April 11, Highland Zhong Gu9 remained at anchor. She is en route from Dongguan, Guangzhou, to Shanghai. Container ship Highland Zhong Gu9, IMO 1,190,100, DWT 28,400, capacity 1746 2, built 2012, flag China.